Hey, what's going on guys? Chord Master here, and in today's video we are going to be looking at Daniel Caesar featuring Her, Best Part. Alright, so this chord progression, as you can see, all the chords I'm playing two notes with the left hand and two notes with the right hand. And what's unique about it is if you look at this first chord, we have a D, A, C sharp, and F sharp. So if you look at this, immediately you probably won't be able to just look and see what chord this is because it looks very different. It's spaced out than a lot of the ones that we've gone over up to this point. But the secret here is taking this F sharp and moving it an octave lower creates a chord that indeed we do know, or we might know. This is a D major 7 chord. It's a D major 7 because we have a D major triad and we have a major 7 up top. And we know a major 7 is just taking, oh, there's something on my keyboard. It's just taking the root note and going down a half step. So from D to D flat is what the 7 is, but we send it up an octave higher. So this chord progression uses some unique things like that. It's not always just the third getting moved up an octave, as we're going to see on the next chord. So here, similarly, we're actually moving the third and the fifth up an octave. So if we move these two back down, we get this chord. We have an A minor 7, A minor triad, and a minor 7 up top. We know this is a minor 7 because taking the root and going down 2 half steps gets us the minor 7 of the chord. So again, here, we're going to do the same thing. Take the third and the fifth and move it back down. I'm going to send this all up an octave so it can sound a little bit brighter. But so this might be a good point to share with you guys that I think it's important to be able to kind of quickly know your major and minor 7s, at least on the white keys to start. Just from enough practice. So I've done enough practice to know that when we have a major triad and we have this black key up here, which is an F sharp, this is the only major 7 that has this unique sort of layout where you have 3 white keys in a row and then a black key, right? Because C major 7 is this, D major 7, E major 7, F major 7, G, right, A, and then of course B. We have the special 3 black notes to end, and then back to C major 7. So, wrapping this up, then we have what we just said here. Same thing, third and fifth moving down an octave. And this is a B flat major 7, right? For the same reason that all the other major 7s that we looked at so far. And I need your help on this last chord. And then the last chord is, so I'm going to do the same thing, and I want you guys to let me know in the chat what you think is going on here. It's not necessarily an easy question, but I just want to see, you know, who might be able to help me out with this. So we have a D and a G. We have this chord. B flat, D, G, and A. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. All right, take care.